Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll be sewing the Aisha Inner Ninja Hijab together. So first we need to use a knit fabric having a great stretch. So I'll check the stretch of the fabrics on both directions. So to place our pattern, I'll ensure that the pattern is aligned parallel to the direction of the greatest stretch. So I'll fold the fabrics with the right side facing each other into two. Place some weight, or you can pin the pattern to the fabrics. So I decide to trace the pattern on the fabrics and then cut my pattern out of the fabrics. So ensure you cut neatly. So to cut the cape, I'll fold my fabrics into two, one end close. So I'll place the close edge on the fabrics and then trace, then cut my cape out. So we have just two pattern pieces for this hijab, the hijab itself and the cape. To start sewing the hijab, I'll close the back of the cape and notch the midpoint of my cape. So I'm going to close the back of the hijab. So I've overlocked this with my serger. So I'm going to pin the cape together with the hijab. Remember, I notched the midpoint. So starting from the midpoint, I'm going to pin to the hijab where the joining is. So I do this for the one side and repeat the process for the other side. So I'm going to go to my overlocker and then sew this together. Once this is done, now we need to close the front of the hijab, leaving the face opening, and then hem the edges of the hijab. We can use cover stitch to hem the edges of the hijab. So now we have hemmed the edge of the hijab and then our hijab is ready. So now let's turn the hijab to the right side and see the outcome of the hijab. Ta-da! Our inner hijab is ready. Now our inner hijab is ready. This hijab prevents the air from slipping out under your kimhar when you're out for the day. You can get your pattern with the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching.